so nice to have flowers so the butterflies can enjoy them. You're not even afraid of people. You know, these flowers just popped up all over the place because I fired my gardener, and so he's not killing all the newly sprouted plants and flowers and trees that pop up here and there. Because when I mow around them. You know, it takes 4 trees to provide oxygen for one person. There's people that don't even have 1 tree on their property. All of these are lantanas just popped up. How beautiful. And Florida has the most sunshine of all the states in the country, the USA, and we can actually have flowers all year long. Not every flower, of course, but there's ones that stay even in the winter. Anyway, mowing the grass is great exercise, and we definitely need exercise always, at least 6 days a week.